In this video, we will solve a question on standard deviation. The question is given sigma is standard deviation of a given series, and if each and every observation of the series is added by a constant k, what will be the standard deviation of new series? Options are sigma minus k, sigma plus k, sigma, option D is sigma times k. Okay, so to give you the correct option here, let me explain it once for all. You will never forget this, how to get the idea behind this question. Okay, so we are being told we have a series and every observation of the series is added by a constant k. Okay, let me take a simple series. Let us say initially we have the series x and we have numbers 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we need to find out the standard deviation of the original series. So how do we find standard deviation? The formula is, we know that standard deviation is equal to under root of x minus the mean of x square upon the number of observations. Okay, this is the formula for standard deviation. So we need to find out x minus x. That means we need to find out the mean of x first. So mean of x is equal to sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. So mean will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, and we have 3 observations here. So we have 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So we get 6 upon 3, which is equal to 2. So we got mean is equal to 2. And let me rub this out. So we got mean is equal to 2. Then we subtract this mean x is equal to 2 from each of the observations. So we have 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we need to take square. X minus x, it is square here. So that means square of a negative number is positive. So we get 1, here 0, and we have 1 square, which is equal to 1. Okay, then what will be the standard deviation? Standard deviation will be equal to, so let us sum this. So we have summation of x minus x bar square. So what is the sum of this column? It is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So standard deviation will be equal to 2 divided by the total number of observations is 3, 2 upon 3. Okay, now what we are being told? We are being told that each and every observation of the series is added by a constant k. So we have the same series x. Now each observation is added by a constant. Let us say we add it by the constant 2. So what happens to the series? So we get 1 plus 2, then we have 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 2. We need to find out its impact on the standard deviation. So it will be equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. Here we will get 4. Here we will get 5. So this is our x. Now let us find out the mean of x first. So mean of x will be sum of the observations, which is 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 5 is 12 upon total number of observations is 3. So we get mean is 4. Now we need to find x minus the mean of x. So subtract mean from each observation. So we have 3 minus 4, 4 minus 4 and 5 minus 4. Here we will get negative 1, here we get 0, here we get 1. Now square x minus x. So negative 1, we have negative 1 square, which is 1. Here we have 0, square is equal to 0, and here we have 1 square is equal to 1. Let us find out x minus x bar, x minus x bar square. So it is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now what will be the new standard deviation? Let us find out. So formula is this, x minus x bar square. So x minus x bar square is 2 here, and we have total number of observations is 3. Again we get same result. That means if we add each and every observation of the, if we add each and every observation of a series by a constant k, standard deviation will not change at all. So here when we added each observation were 2, our standard deviation remained same that we got earlier from this series. Okay, the standard deviation of this series came out to be 2 upon 3. The standard deviation of this series, when each item was added by 2, we got again the same standard deviation. That means here the correct option should be C option, that is standard deviation is not affected by the change in origin. Change in origin. Standard deviation is not affected by change in origin. By change in origin means if we add each series or if we subtract each series by a constant, standard deviation will not change, but it is affected by the change in scale. That means if we multiply each series by a constant, standard deviation will change. If we divide each series by a constant, standard deviation will change. That means change in scale. So change in scale means multiplication and division of each observation, and it affects the standard deviation. But change in origin means addition or subtraction of each observation in a series. It does not affect the standard deviation. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you.